Good morning, my students. How are you? I missed you all. Our lesson today is about long adjectives comparative. Long adjectives comparative. In the previous lesson, we have learned about short adjectives comparative. Let me remind you, for example, big, bigger than, small, smaller than, tall, taller than, happy, happier than. But today it's a little bit different. What is a long adjective? What do we mean by a long adjective? A long adjective is the adjective with 3 or more syllables. A long adjective is the adjective with 3 or more syllables, or it has 3 or more vowels. It has 3 or more vowels. Look at these examples. The red letters are the vowels. It shows the number of how many vowel the word has. For example, number 1, beautiful. It has 5 vowels, so it's a long adjective. Beautiful has 5 vowels. That's why we consider beautiful as a long adjective. Number 2, expensive. Expensive. It has 4 vowels. 4 vowels. So it's a long adjective. Number 3, comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable, the word comfortable or the adjective comfortable, it has 4 vowels. 4 vowels. The last one, famous. Famous, it has 3 vowels. A, O, U. Let's read the adjectives one more time. Beautiful, expensive, comfortable, famous. And let's remember, what is a long adjective? A long adjective is the adjective with 3 or more syllables, or it has 3 or more vowels. Let's remember when do we use comparative adjectives, or why do we use comparative adjectives? We use comparative form of adjectives to compare two people, animals, or things. We use comparative form of adjectives to compare two people, animals, or things. And remember, we use the word than after the comparative form. We use the word than after the comparative form. Look at these examples. Do you remember Mr. Ali and Andy? We have met them in the previous lesson. So look at Mr. Ali and Andy. Mr. Ali is famous. Mr. Ali is famous. So let's read the comparative form. Mr. Ali is more famous than Andy. Where did the ER go? When we deal with long adjective, we don't need the ER. We replaced it with more. Why we don't add ER to the long adjective? Think of that. Think. We don't add ER to the long adjective because the E is a vowel. The letter E is vowel. So Mr. Ali is more famous than Andy. I can't add ER to the adjective famous. Already it has 3 vowels. Another example. Look at the nice armchair and the wooden chair. This is the armchair, the blue armchair, and on your right hand is the wooden chair. So the armchair is comfortable. The armchair is comfortable. Let's compare between the armchair and the chair. The armchair is more comfortable than the chair. The armchair is more comfortable than the armchair. Let's read more examples. Oh, look at this snake. And look at the cute cat. The snake is dangerous. The snake is dangerous. So the snake is more dangerous than the cat. The snake is more dangerous than the cat. What a nice butterfly. We have a butterfly and a dog. Let's compare between the butterfly and the dog. The dog is white, but the butterfly, it has so many colors. So the butterfly is colorful. The butterfly is colorful. And the dog is white. It doesn't have any color. So the butterfly is more colorful than the dog. The butterfly is more colorful than the dog. Look at this car and this bike. Nice car. It seems to be expensive. The car is expensive. The car is expensive. Which one is more expensive? So we compare between the bike and the car. The car is more expensive than the bike. The car is more expensive than the bike. Look at the yummy cupcake and the cucumber. The cupcake is delicious. The cupcake is delicious. But which one is more delicious? The cupcake is more delicious than the cucumber. The cupcake is more delicious than the cucumber. Let's revise the adjectives one more time. We're going back to Mr. Ali and Andy. Here they come. Mr. Ali is famous. Mr. Ali is famous. So Mr. Ali is more famous than Andy. Look at the adjective. The adjective is famous. It's the yellow word. We didn't add ER. We didn't add ER to the adjective because it's a long adjective. long adjective. It has 3 vowels. The armchair is comfortable. Look at how many vowels do we have on the adjective comfortable. That's why we didn't add ER. So the armchair is more comfortable than the chair. The armchair is more comfortable than the chair. Now we're going to compare between the snake and the cat. The snake is dangerous. The snake is dangerous. So the snake is more dangerous than the cat. The snake is more dangerous than the cat. The butterfly and the dog. The butterfly is colorful. The adjective colorful means that it has so many colors. The butterfly is more colorful than the dog. Let's compare between the car and the bike. The car is expensive. The car is expensive. The car is more expensive than the bike. The car is more expensive than the bike. And let's go to compare between cupcake and the cucumber. The cupcake is delicious. The cupcake is delicious. The cupcake is more delicious than the cucumber. The cupcake is more delicious than the cucumber. Let's remember the long adjective. We don't add ER to the long adjectives. We replace it with more. We replace it with more. This is the form of the long adjective. We don't add ER. We add more plus the long adjective plus than. More, long adjective, than. Let's read these examples one more time. Dangerous, it becomes more dangerous than. More dangerous than. Comfortable, more comfortable than. More comfortable than. Beautiful, more beautiful than. More beautiful than. Colorful, more colorful than. Expensive, more expensive than. Delicious, more delicious than. So the form of the long adjective is more, then the long adjective, and than. Let's go back to the start of our lesson and let's revise what does a long adjective means. What does a long adjective mean? What is a long adjective? A long adjective is the adjective with 3 or more syllables, or it has 3 or more vowels. This is the end of our lesson today. Please write these slides on your grammar notebook. I'm going to send you the photos on the nation. And if you have anything to ask me about, I'm ready to answer you. Have a nice day.